Hi New View, it's Miss Renee, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a smoothie. And a smoothie is really a great healthy snack to have when you're stuck at home, and especially in the summertime when there's so many fresh fruits available. So today I'm going to be using these 4 fruits, and I chose raspberries, bananas, blueberries, and pineapple, but you can choose any fruits that you like. So you're going to start, and you can use a blender to put the fruit in, and you can even use frozen fruit if you have that, okay? So I'm gonna start by putting my pineapple in, and then my raspberries, and I would say I have about a 1/4 cup of them, but you have to decide how much you need based on your blender. And I washed all my fruit ahead of time and measured it out. And after you put your fruit in, you can either use yogurt, you can put orange juice, you can use apple juice. I'm using a little bit of almond milk in my smoothie. I had about a 1/2 cup of it. And then I'm gonna put some ice cubes. Okay, take the lid, screw it on tight, it's plugged in. Say that's done. And you open it up. If you want it a little bit more like icier, you can put more ice in. If you want it less, then not as much. There's a few ice cubes. And then if you want to make it a little bit of a dessert, you can do a little whipped cream on the top. And here you have a delicious smoothie for a nice summer afternoon. Enjoy!